Yes guys, welcome to a new video. Just meeting the guys here. We got Augusto here, we got Borges, we got, I think his name's Pedro, I can't remember his name. Pedro Grau, right there. Then we got the MT-07 right here, we got the Hornet right here, we got Augusto's XJ6. But what's happening right now is, I think there's a remap situation going on. Yo, e aí, tudo bom? Tudo bom? E aí? E aí, mano? Tudo bom? Huh? God, there's a load of bikes in here, guys. I'm meant to be coming here this week to get mine done. But yeah, he's got the Africa Twin in there. I don't know if you can see that. That's literally what my MT-07 is mapped like. MT-07 with a pop and bang map, and I don't want it, but he's come here just to get the pop and bang map. God, that sounds crazy. He's got that event. He's done a map with no exhaust on it. Yo guys, this is him. Only in Brazil. No, it's crazy. I don't know if you can hear that, guys. Wait for it. That is literally what my MT-07 would sound like if I put the exhaust on it right now. Probably worse. You guys know what the 07s are like. Anyway, I don't know if we're gonna go ride. I thought we was, but it's got a bit dark and there's a lot of cars about, so might be seeing you guys tomorrow. Oh, the bike's ready. What a motorcycle. Best colors as well, other than he's missing the red. What colors do you like on the twins, guys? These bikes are amazing. The way this guy rides it as well is mad. Oh shit. Here we go. Oh my days. Locomotor.
Vou ligar depois na rua, vamos na rua.
Depois? Agora?
Depois.
Ah, entendi. Precisa de sem placa.
Yes,
Same plaque. Ah, entendi.
Melhor assim.
Spinning it round because there's no play. It sounds like they're going to get active. So, I don't know. I might be able to... It looks like we're in for another 100% legal ride on the streets of Brazil.
Vamos.
Onde?
Até Farroupilha.
Não, muito longo.
Não.
Pra mim.
Antes. Vamos BR, depois volta. Eles vão, nós... Entende?
Ele...
ok. Para gravar, entende?
Onde? Havana?
Pouco mais.
Pouco mais?
Yeah.
Oh. What the f is going on right now? That's what's going on. Like non-stop flames. Oh my days. Thing is, I've got a stock exhaust on a 07. Fucking hell. Right, guys. Oh, f it. I have no idea what's going on right now. I hope my microphone's working, because these are going to be running red lights and all sorts. Yeah, these are going to be going crazy. Oh my. Yeah. Who the, what? Only in Brazil would you go and get a remap specifically for having no exhaust. So crazy. I need my phone in my other pocket. Yo! Yo, this is going off right now. Crazy. I'll try and get as many shots as I can, guys, but it's difficult. What's going on? Oh my days. Feel it like in my chest. These are flying. Oh my god. Flipping Africa Twin is rapid. Whoa. Well, I wouldn't be keeping up on the 160s right now. This is guys, if that's the content you want to see, I'm just showing you now because one, my channel's not getting too much attention. Two, if you want that, but the absolute madness, the absolute craziness, that on a whole nother level, you can join my channel. Show support. When I get like 20 members on there, I'll drop a video, or 10 members, whatever. It's gonna help me out here a lot in Brazil as well, because I don't even know, the way the meeting went today, it's like, it's just impossible here. Like, even if I do it, it's still impossible. Like, if anyone asks, don't even, like, if they ask for my advice on anything, my advice to you is just don't even fucking try. It is like, oh my god, unless you're rich or you're going off like an investment visa to go to Brazil, don't go visit, because the country's amazing. But yeah, don't do what I've done, because you'll pay the price. If you want to support me and you want extra content and extra madness, because like what I'm trying to say is, I don't know what my life is moving forwards out here. It's being transparent with you guys, and it's at the end of the video as well, so anyone out here that could possibly see it, that shouldn't see what I'm saying, is not going to see it, because it's kind of towards the end of the video. But yeah guys, moving forwards, it's looking like it's just non-stop me taking risks, as in legal risks, everything, every risk you can imagine. It's looking that way right now. I've tried, and if you want to see this content out here, you want me to actually go out there and full send it, support the channel, get in the comments, show the likes. I'll continue trying to learn from these guys out here. I'll go to the events, I'll just send everything, because I'm past the point of caring. Is that Augusto? That's Augusto. Yeah, that's Augusto. But wasn't the ending to the video I was planning on filming just a minute ago. But anyway guys, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.